How to fix your mic is muted by system settings in Google Meet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your Google Mic has been muted by system settings on your Google Meet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're here on your Google Meet and you're in a meeting, and if your mic is not working, first, very basic, you need to check and make sure that this mic option is turned on. Just tap on this once and it should turn on, or just press Ctrl D to turn it on. And that's one thing that you can do. The other thing that you can do is check for the settings on your browser to make sure that you have given access, that you have given microphone access for sites. So to do that, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then scroll down here, you'll find settings. Tap on settings. And after you're on your settings, there you will find different options. You can just go to privacy and security here. Then you will see different options again. Just go to site settings. And after you're here, there you'll find microphone option under permissions. So tap on microphone. After you do that, make sure by default behavior you have made this option that says site can ask to use a microphone. Make sure that this is checked, and after you've done that, your problem should be fixed. If not, you'll need to open up your settings. After you're on your settings, go to system right here. Then inside here you can find your microphone option. So we'll need to search for microphone. After you're here on your settings, go to privacy and security. Scroll down here, then you'll find the app permissions section. There you'll find microphone. Tap on microphone. And right here, make sure that you have turned on access for microphone. After that, from whichever website that you're using your, Google Meet, make sure that you have given them access. So for example, here you can see let desktop app access your microphone, turn that on, and that includes Google Chrome, in which I use my Google Meet. And doing that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.